This is Tara with Billy and Tara's Live Free or Die channel, and today I wanted to try to use our new food dehydrator to make some doggy treats out of sweet potatoes. So I'm going to try to cut them with this into thick slices. It's got a thin and thick slice setting, and see what comes of that. At any rate, let's see how this works. I think someone knows that I'm going to cook them something. What do you think? Do you think I'm going to cook you something? Do you think I'm going to cook you something? Yeah, they do. So it's supposed to be 165 for 6 to 8 hours, and that's what they look like. I mean, some of them are uneven because different parts of the potato are different sizes, but looks interesting. So, temp, 6 hours at 135. Sorry. Start. We'll see how it turns out. So this is done. Got done while I was in the shower, and it looks really good. And it's supposed to be brittle, and it is. So I'm going to put it in this bowl for the dogs and see how they like that.
What we got?
Kind of made some doggy treats.
Holy cow, Bubs.
Wonder
what we got?
Wonder if they like them.
Drop it. Bunny. Catch. Right on. Oh, that's on me. Human grade. They know what to do.
The cat's like, hey, that can be a dog.
Oh, let's switch. I'll take yours, you take mine. Was it weird, guys? It's healthy. Them taters might have been grown in Maine there, Bubs. You screwed up, Delaney. Little Miss Thing. Oh, we told you about Little Miss Thing, by the way, folks? Yeah, don't be filming her backside, because somebody's about to come into heat. She's 7 months. She'll be 8 months. 2 weeks? I know, she's a tiny Brittany. So Mr. Delaney over there, who's not quite up to snuff to be a show dog or a bird dog. Snip, snip. Did you see him look away?
I just caught him looking back.
Snippity, snippity. Your testities, testities. Why do you look so sad? I think I almost ripped my throat out. I'm not going to be one doing it.
Not me either.
Maybe some mean veterinarian.
I won't do it, no.
That would be a total dink. You'd be mad at him. Yeah, we're not going to breed them. We live in a townhome apartment thing. And her hips, you can see they're still pretty small. So, she's just been a slow grower. I mean, he would hurt her. So he's going to lose his nutty nuts. You guys like those, alright? Try it again, Delaney. Ah, you missed. You must play for the Yankees.
Didn't have a problem with that one.
I like them now, huh? I gotta figure it out. Ah, buddy, what are you doing? You're missing. There. You're doing a good job. So what do you think of the review on this thing here? Your magic meal.
But
Bye-bye. Live free or die.